So welcome, I'm here with John. John, can you please give us your name, your title, and the name of your company?
Yeah, I work for Raytheon. My name is John Lozano, and I'm the Director for Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance Supply Chain Organization.
Wow, that's a mouthful, and it sounds very impressive, and I'm sure you're very busy. And John also happens to be the chairman of the DFW Minority Supplier Development Council. Thank you so much, John, for your support. You've been a great leader. And so off to the questions. So what areas would you like to see more MBE participation within your industry?
I think the obvious answer would be manufacturing. We need people that are building products that we can introduce into the product offerings that we provide to the warfighter. But I think that's the obvious answer. I think you need to peel back the onion a little bit and focus on things like additive manufacturing in specifics, or look at products and services that might be able to be introduced in future product offerings. We need to open the aperture a little bit and focus on things that are much more broader than just pure manufacturing roles. And it's those types of solutions that we're looking for from local minority suppliers.
That's excellent, and you're absolutely right, because I think there's also a lot more focus on made in America products. Mm-hmm. So the more that we can find MBEs to support, like you said, your additive supply chain, I think would be a tremendous opportunity, and also available dollars through our government. So
absolutely. That's
a great thing. The other question I have for you is, why is minority business inclusion important to Raytheon?
So we're a global company, first and foremost, and we firmly believe that we have to bring our whole selves to the table to be successful, to market ourselves around the globe. That means tapping into all the learning, all the experiences, all the different perspectives that can be brought to the table. So when we're looking for diversity inclusive suppliers, we're looking for those that can augment and supplement what Raytheon brings. And I think there's value in that, I think there's strength in that, but more importantly, I think that we'll be a better company for doing that.
You're absolutely right, and I also believe that from a government perspective, I think, isn't there some requirements from the federal government space?
Certainly, as a government contractor, we have objectives and goals that we need to fulfill to meet our contractual obligations with our end item customers, and that's an important piece of it. But to me, that's the small piece of it. Right. It's about tapping into this enriched supply base that is out there. It's about tapping into diverse thought. It's about tapping into diverse history. I think that's the strength. And if it was simply just those quotas that we get, then we would just barely be scratching the surface.
You're absolutely right. I love it. Thank you so much. And again, thank you so much for serving as our chairman. We love working under your leadership, so thank you so much.
My honor and a privilege.
Thank you.